Welcome to this very special 1967 Jeepster Deluxe Convertible. This is serial number 10003. We think it could be the first convertible built, or at least the oldest survivor. Our client found 1003 in 2014. It was in a sorry state. He acquired the car and treated it to complete frame-off bare metal restoration to the tune of $55,000. Everything was touched. The frame was restored, the body, the interior, all the mechanicals were rebuilt over a 2-year period. After finding this car and treating it to that 2-year loving restoration, the current owner has enjoyed driving this with his family, but now it's time to pass it on to the next custodian. Let's start it up and go for a ride. After finding this very early Jeepster, our client lovingly restored it back to its original glacier white and marlin blue interior. He used it for many years, enjoying it immensely, but now it's time to move it on to the next custodian. It's available on Bring a Trailer. For more info, visit Genau, AutoWerks.com. Thank you.